Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to reset your Binance 2FA. Whereas the first option, if you still can access your account, and the second option, if you can't. Okay. So basically, it needs an authentication code and you can't access it, or you don't have access to that authenticator. Okay. So the first option, if you still can access it, or if you still can access your account. So go to your profile, click on it, click on the accounts drop down right here in the left panel. Now click on security. Now here we have the authenticator app, or it could be a biometrics, email, you name it. Okay. So for example, we have here the authenticator app. Just click on manage. Now you have 2 options right here. You can just go ahead and delete this one and add in another authenticator. Okay. So the other option is that you cannot access, or you don't have access to any of these authenticators. Okay. So what you do, I have these links in the description below. So first up, go ahead and open this one, how to reset 2FA when I can't access my Binance account. So basically, you just go ahead and follow these simple steps. And after that, you should be able to recover your Binance account. Okay. And in some cases, you might need to submit a video to the customer service team to verify your request. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Okay, just basically follow it. And then once that's done, or once your request has been reviewed, Binance team will inform you if the request was successfully completed or further action is needed. Okay, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.